Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes. This is Surbhi here and I am going to take the class of 9th chapter 8 motion. For the knowledge of the previous topic and what is the motion, you can watch my previous video also. There is playlist of class 9th available in my channel. Then you can watch for that. Now let's start the today's topic. What is the today's topic? Average speed. What is the average speed? Total distance. Total distance covered by an object. Total distance covered by an object divided by total time. Divided by total time, that is called the average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance. Total distance upon total time, that is called the average speed. So we represent it by total distance d and total time by t. So average speed S is equal to d upon t. S is equal to d upon t. I write here S is equal to d upon t. So this is the total distance upon total time taken, that is called the average speed. Next is the average velocity. What is the average velocity? Total displacement. Total displacement means from initial to final point. From initial to final point divided by time taken. Divided by time taken is called the average velocity. I repeat again. Total displacement from initial to final point, that is called the total displacement, divided by time taken is called the average velocity. Average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time. It means average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time, that is called the average velocity. But in non-uniform motion, when motion is non-uniform motion, what is the uniform motion, what is the non-uniform motion? You can watch my previous video for that topic. I explained there in very detail what is the uniform and non-uniform motion. So you can watch for that. In non-uniform motion, velocity is changing. In non-uniform motion, velocity is changing. That is, average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. 2 comes from initial means 1 point and final means 2 point. So here is we write 2 points. Average velocity is equal to initial velocity upon final velocity. That is called the average velocity of non-uniform motion when velocity is changing. So this is my class. We will also discuss the example of this formula in my next video. So I repeat my class again. What is the average speed? Total distance covered by an object divided by total time taken. That is called the average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken, represented by S is equal to d by 2. Okay, now next point, average velocity. What is average velocity? Total displacement. What is displacement? From initial to final point divided by time taken is called average velocity. That is, average velocity is equal to total displacement upon total time taken. It is represented by V is equal to S upon T. But in non-uniform motion, when velocity is changing, then average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. What is uniform, non-uniform motion and previous topics? You can watch my previous video and playlist also. So thank you so much for the watching. We'll discuss example for this topic also in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. This is Surbhi here. Thank you.